Hi everybody, my name is Mohammad Amir Suhail and I want to present a project work, a class project work. I am student of University of Rome Tor Vergata in business administration. My professor is Emiliano Di Carlo. My project work is my business idea. As everybody presented their videos, their business ideas in class, I thought a lot that what kind of business I would like to do here in Rome. So I just got one thing, that I would like to do a business of house maintenance service. Yeah. Why I selected this kind of business here? I made a little bit survey and I talked to my colleagues, other Italian person who are living here, not only Italian but also foreigners, and some of my friends and professors. And then I realized that if I would do and I would open a company of house maintenance service, HMS, this is my brand name, logo, it would be logo of our company soon. It is the need, it is the demanding of customers in Rome, in people of Rome. They are other cities of Italy, but I just survey in Rome. So they need this kind of company which provides services. If you went home, this is a little bit question, tricky question, not tricky, very easy, but you can think about this would be a very stupid kind of question. But no, it is not. You went home and got your water tap leakage or your water drainage system and electricity wiring short circuit, or in most summer days your cooling system, or in winter days your heating system is not working. So what you will do? Obviously, you would say that you make a phone call to any technician, to the worker who knows how to fix it. You made a call and you will go to him and ask him to fix this, and you will pay money for that. But I will ask you at the last slide of my presentation this question again. What we do? What kind of services we are providing in this company? General house maintenance service, plumbing, drain system, cleanage, water heater maintenance, and cooling system, kitchen remodeling, house remodeling. You want to decorate your house interior and maybe some furniture or something like that. We are providing these services. Best quality of service, customer satisfaction, customer needs and demand would be our first priority. Customer satisfaction and customer demand needs. What would be our main focus of this company? Quality, and as you can see that I underline two things because I want you to focus these two things, quality and quick and fast. These would be the most important points for us, for our company, to focus on these things. Because other companies, they provide you services and charge money, but are you satisfied from that service or quality of service, or how quick and fast they provide you this service? They don't matter, it's not matter for them, and they never check this thing. Because customer demand quality and quick and fast service regarding to these things, house maintenance service things, and they want to pay a mediocre cost. They don't want to pay enough cost. Our other focus point would be reliable, trustful, customer satisfaction. How quick we are providing this service. This would be our main focus point, and quality. If you made a call to us and you said that you have emergency or you have some urgent situation, we will send our technician, our plumber or electrician or our worker who is related to that work. We will send him very quickly, and we will give him a paper. You have to sign that before when he came to you and after when he went and finished his work. He will note time, and you have to sign that, and you also have to sign that you are fully satisfied from that service, and you are fully satisfied that that problem of your work has been solved out. So that would be matter for us, and our employer, our call operator would call you in 48 hours after providing the service that are you satisfied, fully satisfied, and the problem was solved. And if your problem was, for example, tap water, it is working right now. If you would say yes and you are fully satisfied, that would be actual satisfaction for us. You can make online appointment with us if you have not an urgent situation, and mostly people work here, mostly people work in office hours in day. So if you are thinking that in someday, in next month or in next week you have a free time and you want to redecorate your house, or you want a regular or routine repairment thing, then you can take our online appointment. It would be, our employer would give you free estimate. You can estimate to our expert. From our expert you can get estimate online or by just call, and you will get a very appropriate and very accurate estimate. And if you would make an online appointment for next week or next time, and it would be a regular or a routine repairment thing, you would get €45 discount. What is the legal form of our business? The question is very important. Actually, when I was thinking this idea, I talked to my friend, and he was also interested in this. So he wanted to do partnership with me in this business. So this legal form of our business is partnership. We are two partners. Each one of us are investing €40,000, and we are taking almost €40,000 loan from bank. We have money and we can invest 20,000 more each, but we have some saving accounts. We want to save some money and some property and wealth to, in other sense of business, maybe business would be failed, or maybe in the critical situation of the business, or maybe the time when we need, or when we reinvest our money, or when we have a situation very tricky in our business. So we just plan to save some money for that situation. Partnership is very useful for business, because business would be more capital. If I would be a sole proprietorship, I would be a sole proprietorship owner, then my investment would be only 40,000, but now it would be, its equity is 80,000. So 40,000 more added due to partnership, flexibility, and different skills and different ideas, strategies. Because not only one owner is thinking, or not only one mind is making a strategy or idea for business. There are a lot of other things like equity is the investment which we invested our money, and loan which we are taking from bank, that would be our liability of the business. Both are assets for this company. How we can get loan from bank easily? We have some wealth and we both partner. We have wealth of 220,000 euros and we have some properties, we have a good paybacks assets. So bank don't need to worry about it to give us loan just of 40,000 euro. So we have enough saving money to pay back. Our asset would be building, office equipment, cash, and other office equipment like computers or technical things, which would use our plumber technician. What would be our organizational structure? Initial business strategy. It is our initial business strategy, because we don't want to use a very large business structure in initial point on a startup of a business. We are as shareholders, operational manager who is dealing with the customer operators, who are customer operators, who supervise. Our operational manager is supervising customer operators who are dealing with customers, who are taking some orders, service orders, and workers, our employees, our technicians, plumbers. Our finance manager who is dealing with supplier from whom we are getting material. We will purchase material, like you want to decorate your kitchen, so we need some material new. So we will purchase that from our suppliers, and that was handling financial manager. Finance manager is also handling wages and salaries of the workers, employers, and other office or business financial matters. Why we choose this business? This is very important question. We made a survey, as I told you, and realized that other companies or other technicians are not satisfying these customers related to house maintenance service, especially. If you need to do something, you have a problem in electric service or a wiring, you make a call to a electrician to fix this. And if electrician would come and you have wiring in your underground system, and it would be maybe under floor or something like that, electrician or plumber or something related to that would say to you that there is a need of to dig a big hole, and he would want do this. He would ask you to call another labor worker to dig a hole, and when he will finish work, he will ask you again to call him or call any other labor worker to fill this hole again. So basically, if you have technical problem, you have to call technician. If you have electric problem, you have to call another person, another technician. We are providing you just one company. If you have any related, any house maintenance related problem, electric or plumbing or all these kind of things, you just need to memorize just one number of our company. We will provide you all these services. You can make feedback to us, you can complain us, we will improve our lags, and we want to satisfy our customers. And other companies also make appointments very long. Maybe you are in any urgent situation, they would say to you maybe that tomorrow or that technician or electrician will be free after tomorrow. So maybe in that time you don't know how to fix this and how to get rid of this kind of situation, our company would be immediate, take action immediately, and we will provide you immediately these services. And this is actually benefit for our company, because customer is not fully satisfied because of quickness of service, because their service is very slow. When and how we will create a value in our business? Well, it depends. Actually, it depends if the things will work out, and as we planned and made a strategy, it will work out. Almost after 1 year, we will enhance our business, we will create some values. And how we can create these values? Like we can do advanced training course, improvement in skills, raising capital, making more branches in other cities, and hiring more employees, workers, and making some offices, and we will do things a lot like this. How you can reach us? You have our website, our email address, you have our cell number, our company's telephone number. You can call us anytime, and if you just email us, our customer operating operations will call you back immediately, and they will talk to you. And now I want again that question: if now you will get home and you will find any kind of trouble in your home, like my house maintenance service, now what you will do? Now it's better call. Now it's time better to call HMS. HMS is our company's logo, as you know. Your feedback will be very important for us, so you can email us or our customer when we provide a service to you after 24 hours. They will call you again. Thank you so much for paying attention. And your comments and suggestions will be very useful for me. Thanks a lot.